Analyzing the job market on Best Places can be a valuable tool for individuals looking to relocate or understand the employment landscape of a particular area. To begin, navigate to the Best Places website and select the city or region you are interested in. Next, click on the Jobs tab, which will provide an overview of the local job market, including the major industries, job growth, and unemployment rates. Take note of the top employers in the area, as this can give you an idea of the types of jobs that are in demand. Look for the Job Market Index, which is a score that compares the job market of the selected area to the national average. A higher score indicates a stronger job market. You can also view the Cost of Living Index, which can help you understand how your salary will go in the area. Another important aspect to analyze is the job growth rate, which shows how quickly the number of jobs in the area is increasing or decreasing. A positive growth rate indicates a healthy job market, while a negative growth rate may indicate a struggling economy. To get a better understanding of the types of jobs available, browse through the list of major industries in the area. This can help you identify if your skills and experience are in demand. You can also search for specific job titles to see the average salary and number of job openings. Finally, consider the overall quality of life in the area, including factors such as commute time, education, and healthcare. By taking a comprehensive look at the job market and quality of life, you can make an informed decision about whether an area is right for you. By following these steps, you can gain a deeper understanding of the job market on Best Places and make more informed decisions about your career and where you want to live. Remember to stay up to date with the latest job market trends and data to ensure you have the most accurate information.